First up is the captain of the USA team, Jim Furyk.
Thank you all very much. Distinguished guests, Madame Pécresse, ladies and gentlemen, what an honor it is to be standing before you today. It's a privilege to serve as the United States Ryder Cup captain, and it is a pleasure to do so here in France. I'm proud to be joined by my wife, Tabitha, and we are so honored and humbled to be with you for the 42nd Ryder Cup. The story of America is a story that has been written over many years by many hands. And that story cannot be told without talking about the close bond that has tied America and France together. From Lafayette standing alongside Washington, to the magnificent gift of the Statue of Liberty presented by the people of France to the people of America in 1886. And to our alliance during the struggle for freedom during the 20th century. The people of America are forever linked to the people of France. For more than 200 years, we have been friends and allies. And this week, as a token of our special bond, our American players will be playing with bags that have the symbol of the Statue of Liberty emblazoned on them. This will serve as a reminder that while inside the ropes we may compete against each other, outside the ropes we stand together, as we always have, as we always will. And so, before we play any golf and before we compete against each other, it's altogether appropriate for me to say on behalf of the people of America to the people of France, merci beaucoup. The Ryder Cup is a tradition unrivaled in the history of sports. It's a week of limitless passion, pride, and powerful golf. And it shows the world of sports that golf truly is one of the great sports of the world. But if the playing of the Ryder Cup is a team sport, so too is the planning of the Ryder Cup. Just as Thomas has been supported by Grace, Tabitha has been with me every step the last 18 months. She loves the Ryder Cup as much as I do, and it's been a thrill of a lifetime to share this experience with her. I'd like to thank my parents as well. I'm sure they never imagined when raising me in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, that one day I'd be leading the American Ryder Cup team here in France. Wouldn't be possible without them. To the spouses and the partners of our players, vice captains, and caddies, you are the foundation of our careers and our team in this great adventure. Thank you for your love and, really, for putting up with us. To our caddies, we're indebted to you for your commitment, your strength, and friendship, and we share a journey that we'll long remember. To our host, Le Golf National, in the condition of this exceptional venue, there is only one word: magnifique. Our caps are off to the leaders here at Le Golf National, including Paul Armitage, Philippe Pilato, Alejandro Reyes, and Lucas Pierre. And gentlemen, to all the volunteers you have under your care, we are humbled by your hospitality and how you have welcomed us. To the Fédération Française de Golf and the inspiring Pascal Grisot. The day is here, Pascal, the dream realized. Your vision, leadership, and love of our sport has brought the eyes of the world to France. To Ryder Cup Europe, we are forever bonded in presenting the greatest spectacle in golf. And I would like to thank the PGA of America for this opportunity, for their belief in me and for their support every step of the way. And most of all, to the fans. Thank you for your love of our sport. Thank you for the support of the Ryder Cup. And on behalf of the American team, we are honored to be your guest this week. With that in mind, we also hold close one great golf tradition this week, that the Ryder Cup is as much about sportsmanship as it is about passion. This unique culture sets golf apart from every other endeavor. Sportsmanship just isn't how we do things, it's who we are. And it's in that spirit that I say to Thomas, that you are more than a competitor, you are a friend. Across your career, you've always been a true sportsman, and the team you have assembled is a talented and experienced, an accomplished group that plays the game the right way and understands what makes the Ryder Cup special. To our American team, gentlemen, I am proud to serve as your captain. I know that you'll represent our game and our country with honor and distinction as we play this 42nd Ryder Cup. Before I introduce our team, I'd like you to meet 5 individuals who are not only critical in our team room, but I'm proud to call them all friends. Our vice captains, David Duval. Zach Johnson. Matt Kuchar. Davis Love III. And Steve Stricker. Gentlemen, thank you.